Seated upright rows are a great exercise for the side of the shoulders and the upper back. To perform this exercise, start by placing the bands under your feet evenly. Then switch your hands on the handles. I find the angle of the band to be more natural this way when pulling up. Your hands will start at the center of your pelvis. As you pull the handles up, your hands will end up near the front of your shoulders or armpits. Try not to let your elbows rise too much higher than your shoulders. Hold the contraction at the top for about 1 second before controlling the movement back down. This exercise can also be done with dumbbells. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching.